Cons investment app pros and cons. Today we are going to talk about the pros and cons of Cons investment app. So I have made this document demonstrating these things. So the first pro of this Cons app is it is easy to use. It has a simple interface and automated features like roundups and make it easy to start investing and save. Now, low minimums is also a pro. There's no minimum deposit to open an account. You can start investing with your spare change. Educational resources. Acorn offers educational content to help you learn more about investing. High yield checking. Acorn's checking account offers a competitive interest rate with no minimum balance. Now, these were the pros of Acorns. Now, there are cons as well. So, for the first con, as you guys can see, Acorn charges a flat monthly fee, which can be a high percentage of your investment for small accounts. Limited investment option is another con, which means accounts offer a few pre-built portfolios and doesn't allow for customization. Now, no tax loss harvesting. Con doesn't offer tax loss harvesting, which can be strategies to minimize your tax burden. Customer service concerns. Some users report difficulty reaching customer service. Now, these were the cons as well. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful. Hope you get